Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can post photos on Stuccco and specifically photos that'll show up on your Stuccco profile. So you'll need to sign in first, and once you're signed in, click on Menu and then click on Feed. The feed is a list of all the activity that has happened on Stuccco, and it's listed in chronological order. So by adding content to the feed, that content will then show up on your Stuccco profile as well, and I'll show you that here in a moment. So to begin, once you're on the feed page, click Add a Photo, and then navigate to the folder on your machine that contains the photos that you would like to add. You can add just one photo, you can add multiple photos at a time. I'm going to select 2 photos and then click Open. And then it's going to bring these photos in, which you can see, and it's going to ask you for some information about these photos. I'm going to go ahead and put in some information now, and I'll see you on the other side. Now, one thing to note, if you haven't added an album before, you'll need to click Add a New Album. And what that's going to do is it's going to put these photos into a new album. We also refer to albums as creations, so they're one and the same. You can think of albums as creations, and those or that contains photos that are organized within them. So if you haven't yet added a creation album, you'll want to click here and then click Add a New Album and fill out those fields. But in this case, I have previously created an album, so I'm going to categorize these photos into that previously created album and then click Post Photos. You'll see that the photos were added successfully, and it actually redirects me to my Stuccco profile. You'll be able to confirm that those photos got published successfully by going to the Designs tab within your Stuccco profile, and there they are. So now we're able to see these 2 photos on the Stuccco profile. We can even click on the photo and bring up the high resolution version of that photo. It's a pretty hefty size photo, so it might take some time to load, but there, all right, there it is. Okay, and then all the information that was provided in that dialog box that we previously worked with them. You can also go to the Creations tab, and like I said previously, this is like, think of these as like your albums. So if I go to Stuccco Virtual Staging, there you will see these photos that are organized within that creation album. And then if we go to the feed page, go back to the feed page, you'll see that now these photos that we just added are listed on the feed page. And because this is the most recently posted item, it's going to be listed at the top. Okay, so that's how to add photos on your Stuccco profile. The next question that you might be asking is, okay, I would like to actually feature these recently posted photos at the top of my Stuccco profile. And the way that you do that is just go to Menu, Settings, and then go to Availability and Billing, and scroll down to Select Featured Images. And here, let's say I want to make this a featured image, which is one of the ones that we most recently published. We'll click Set Featured, and then when we go back to our profile, Menu My Profile, we will see this is now set as a featured image, as well as any other image that we've set previously as our featured image. All right, so that is how to add photos to your Stuccco profile and how to also control the featured images that are showing up at the top of your profile. If you ever want to delete these photos, all that you'd need to do is go into Creations, go into the creation album that contains the photo that you would like to delete, and then click on a trash little icon and then select OK to delete it. I'm not going to do that here because I want to keep this, but you'll just click OK and then that photo will be deleted. All right, so that's how you can edit the photos that you've posted as well. And if you delete those within your Stuccco profile, it'll also remove that from being listed on the feed. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.